welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of an Athearn CN dash-9 44 and a Rapido Trains TTX boxcar. So starting off with the locomotive here, we have the box. As you can see, we have the locomotive inside, we have the Athearn, the future of model railroading, DCC quick plug, which is basically ready to roll, basically. Got some stuff on the back. And yeah, let's just open this thing up. One more thing before we open this thing up. I got it for 112 Canadian dollars. So to open it up, all we need to do, we need to go to the side here. We got a tab, pull it out, go to the other side, push out a bit, get the box out, and we pull. Look at that. Amazing. So now all we need to do is remove this. There we go. And now we're just going to remove the locomotive by just grabbing it here. Remove this out of the way. And there we go, the locomotive. Moving into more detail of the train, as you can see, starting from the front here, we have the coupler, we have some stairs, some railings, the crossing chain right here, we have the ladders, and some more stuff on the top. We have the cabin windows, the train number 2672. We have a communication antenna, some panels. We have 2672. We have the iconic white stripe for CN. We have the railings all down the track. We have CN, this yellow line here. We have the fuel tank and a bigger thing of the train. We also have some sun visors right here. And same thing on the other side right here. We have the horn and something that just gets rid of the steam, I guess. Some panel girls up here, and if we flip it around, we have the rear of the train, CN 2672, some more stairs, another coupler, a light, and that's all. Also, one more thing I'd like to say is both of the bogies are powered. As you can see, they don't just move around on this one and on the rear one. Also, just wanted to say that this is my first HO scale locomotive, and I think it was an amazing deal for $112. And obviously this one does not have sound. So moving on to the box car, as you can see right here, I just have the locomotive up here in the top right corner. This intermodal TTX car is made by Rapido Trains. It comes with the box car and 2 containers. We have some more branding behind, as you can see. And to open this up, exactly the same as the locomotive. Got the tab here, and you just need to pull that open, and the box car comes out just like that. Now, the box car does have this protective plastic layer thing, so I'm just going to pop this part off. Gotta be careful not to damage any details of it. There was a part that came loose when I got this, but it was really easy to just stick back on. No glue was required. Also, they have some extra handrails here, as you can see, if you need them. So yeah, here is the box car, and I'm just gonna move this a little to the side. And here's the box car. It has this papery plastic stuff, which we will remove. Here it is. We got the wheels. These will turn like this. Same for the front one. And these are all new. They've never been used. We have the working coupler, as you can see here. It will move and you can couple. Got some handrails in the back. I'm not sure what this is. I guess it's an air reservoir, something like that. But at the front of it here, we have the handbrake. I'm just gonna set this down right here. And now I'm gonna get to the actual containers. This one is JB Hunt. I've never heard of them. But anyways, it's just got this plastic that you can slide off like that. And it has these very little pins here and here that will go into these little holes here and here. So the container will just slip right into it right there. This is the second box car. This one is Santa Fe, and just like the other one, it's got this plastic stuff that just pops right off. And here it is, the other container. And same thing as the other one, it has these little pins that will go into these black parts. And it just will go right in there, as you can see. And this is possible to cup to the locomotive, which I will do right now. And with the coupler, I'm just gonna zoom in a bit here. All you need to do is push one of them into each other and it will couple. There you go. That is how you couple the locomotive to the intermodal car. And these are very well detailed and I think they look very nice. Unfortunately, I do not have any track to run these on. I am planning to get some track and a controller very soon, but for now, this is the best that I can do. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.